Hi guys, and guess what? When you live in a 50 square foot space and you're trying to do projects inside, it makes it really difficult. But let me show you what we got going on. I picked up a new captain's chair, which is also doubling as a dog seat. I really need to replace that chair right there, but part of me wants to remove this whole entire wall and turn our tub, which is down there, it's such a small space, sideways, and put the chair right there up mounted on a box that also can swivel. Actually, I'm sorry. It'd be more kind of right where it is, but so it would swivel, so we still have an entryway into the space, and then just open it all up. But I also bought this jump seat, which I have to keep covered because it keeps kicking my ankles. My dog does not like her food in her bowl. Hi. Oh, she wants her other kind of food. She's demanding. Anyways, I got this amazing jump seat that I was going to buy. I picked it up for 80 bucks, and these things are like 330 bucks with shipping. It's too tall, so I have to make a modification. But if I keep the wall, it's going to mount right there. So give me your thoughts. What should I do? I also decided to pick up a drum, you know, because I have all the space in this house right now. And of course it can double as a seat, and I love it, and I'm super excited to start playing it. And we are trying a new toilet option. That is going bye-bye. And this whole corner needs to be redone. I would love to come up with a storage solution for outside on the back that is like in a box that's secured so that I can actually set this up into seating every day. We're going to be doing something up here either with baskets, or I'm trying maybe that. It leaves a lot of space in the front. I'd like something a little bit deeper, so I'm trying to find the right baskets to replace all of those. And I'm going to be redoing these nightmare shelves. Oof, the clutter in here is just making me crazy. So I've got my idea for those. I need baskets. I've already got magnets. And I'm going to show you what I'm doing there. I'm so excited. I would love to know your opinions on those seats, on what you think I might do, or if I've maybe missed an option there before I go cutting and soldering, and maybe I just need to resell that one jump seat. So let me know, comment below, and I cannot wait to get this space organized and back to its normal place again, and with a lot more functioning room. So thanks, you guys. Stay tuned. So this is midway through this project. Holy moly, I bit off way more than I could chew.
What she meant to say is holy mother.
Anyway, so these are all the things that I've emptied, except that's the stuff I have over there for my oil change that I need. So far, starting to look a little better there. We've done some work on this side and some work on this side, but we still have a pile here, piles there, so much disorganization, a barking dog if anybody wants one, and yeah, still got this spare seat up here. Holy clutter. So stay tuned as we organize the bus. Okay guys, so we've pretty much gotten to the end of this video, and I'm going to bring you back for a final video after it's all done. But as you can see, we still have some work there. We've got so many different little projects that until they all come together, it's going to be a minute. But I love the way that these new baskets have turned out. I like how this is turning out. We still have to remove the cord and do some stuff. We're also putting in new drapery. We've gotten rid of our toilet, and we're going to another option for right now. I can already say just within a couple days, I'm not sure that I like it. So we'll see where that goes and where it ends up. But we do have quite a bit of stuff down here. We've still got this seat to take care of. This whole section needs an absolute rebuild, reorganizing. So when it's all done, I'll bring you back in for a final tour. But thanks so much for staying tuned and watching, and we'll see you next time. I've got great videos coming up, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. We'll see you soon.